Welcome to the video announcement for the awardees of the Manufacturing Grants 2025 Round 2. My name is Patty Rashberger. I'm the Innovation Fund Manager for the Jeff Lawrence Innovation Fund.
And I'm Eric Fasser, the Solutions Program Manager.
This program supports valuable partnerships between New York State-based not-for-profits and industry partners, working together to bring exciting new products and technologies to life. This year, we separated the manufacturing grants into established companies and startups, and this was the round where all of the industry partners had to be startup companies. We received an incredible range of creative and forward-thinking submissions. Once again, we see and are in awe of your passion for innovation and your commitment to shaping a better world by creating better solutions to current problems. Whether or not you were selected for an award, your work matters and we see you. Thank you for the time, energy, and effort you poured into your proposal. Now, to our 6 selected awardees, congratulations. You have demonstrated a powerful partnership and a product concept that shows real promise for impact and growth. Each awardee will receive $65,000 to further develop their technology. We are so excited to support you as you take your ideas to the next level. And the first awardee is Steam Garden and Emboa Medical with the Biomimetic Aspiration Thrombectomy Catheter. Albany's Steam Garden and Emboa Medical are teaming up to perfect a stroke treatment device that removes dangerous blood clots faster and safer than the current alternatives. Think of a catheter as a tiny tube. The TRAP catheter uses small-scale barbs inside its tip. These barbs grip and latch onto blood clots, and gentle suction pulls it into the catheter. This nature-inspired design increases the chances of removing a blood clot in the first attempt and without causing harm to the delicate blood vessels around it. This is a fascinating design and a very elegant solution to the problem.
Very good. Our second award goes to Empire Core at CUNY, partnering with Chase Mobility to develop a motorized attachment for manual wheelchairs. So you can think of this as like a e-bike conversion kit. Through the iCore Customer Discovery Program, the team at Chase Mobility learned the features and performance that really matter to wheelchair users and identified where the competitors are lacking. The design they came up with is superior to the competitors in its performance, handling, reliability, and especially in outdoor and rough terrain. Additionally, it offers easy setup and repair, intuitive operation, waterproof protection, and superior safety. But the real kicker is that given their technical backgrounds and the engineering work they did with RIT, the founders are able to achieve a target price of about 75% less than existing offerings. What this means is that it'll be financially viable as a direct-to-consumer product. So instead of having to go through medical insurance and waiting weeks or months, they can get it much quicker. The project will help build up to 75 units for beta testing and get them significantly closer to being market ready. This product provides independence and reliability and can dramatically improve quality of life for wheelchair users.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Immediate benefits.
Yes.
Yes. The next awardee is the Long Island High Technology Incubator and Super Clean Glass with the Designing Scalable Laser Manufacturing Platform for the solar industry. The Super Clean Glass team has developed a waterless self-cleaning technology that utilizes an electrodynamic shield in order to repel dust from solar panels. About 60% of solar panels are being installed in dry desert-like regions. And in these regions, dust settles on solar panels, reducing their output by up to 10%. Currently, the panels are cleaned mechanically, utilizing large quantities of potable water and manual labor. Very inefficient.
In the desert.
In the desert.
Yeah.
This technology is primed to bring cost savings from multiple sources and increases efficiency in solar panel generation.
Great. Our fourth award goes to MACNY, the Manufacturers Association of Central New York, partnering with Flow to scale up a smart, cost-effective system that predicts and prevents ice dams. So ice dams are large, heavy sheets of ice that form on the corner of a roof in cold climates, or on the edges of a roof, rather. Through the I-Core program, the team at Flow discovered there was a huge demand for better solutions to prevent the hazards associated with ice dams. These include roof damage, interior leaks, and safety risks due to falling chunks of ice. Their patented solution uses sensors and real-time weather data to proactively dispense a biodegradable de-icing fluid that prevents the ice dams from forming in the first place. Compared to existing solutions, their solution is safer, it's automated, it has 40% lower operating costs, and 99% less carbon emissions, so it's much more eco-friendly. Flow was a previous manufacturing grant awardee with TDO, who is our Central New York MEP Center, where they successfully performed design for manufacturability, engineering validation, testing, and certification. TDO has continued to partner with Flow on this follow-up project, and now with MACNY, who is a first-time awardee, they'll be scaling up production capabilities and developing a zoning feature that allow them to better serve large commercial customers. That'll unlock opportunities for full-scale commercialization.
Fantastic. Welcome, MACNY. Welcome back, TDO and Flow. It was a pleasure working with your team in the first award, so this is a follow-up. We're happy to have you back. The next awardee is Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, Center for Architecture, Science and Ecology, and FiberWorks, with the Pultrogen of Sustainable Microbar for Reinforced Concrete. FiberWorks is developing an alternative to rebar, a microbar made of natural fiber to be used in reinforcing concrete in construction, building, tunneling, infrastructure, and mining projects. This microbar is called BioBar, and it's made out of hemp, plus infused with a byproduct of papermaking and plant-derived castor oil. This is a sustainable product and has good end-of-life possibilities, like it could be compostable. Not only this is a great product on its own, but it also supports the reemergence of hemp as a viable crop in New York State, so it's a twofer.
Very good. And our sixth and final award for this round goes to Queens College, partnering with NanoGold MedTech to develop a prototype device that employs AI-empowered nanophotonic sensors for cancer margin detection. What does that mean? NanoGold is developing a microchip sensor with millions of gold nanoparticles together with an optical system that provide real-time, high-resolution imaging of cells. Specifically, it lets a surgeon see the precise margin between cancerous cells and healthy ones. Why is that important? When a surgeon removes cancer cells, for example, a tumor, the boundary between the healthy and cancerous cells is not visible to the naked eye. Ideally, the surgeons want to avoid removing healthy cells and healthy tissue, which can lead to complications. But if they remove too little of the mass, it can leave cancer cells behind, and that requires follow-up surgery. Currently, the results of a cancer cell removal aren't known until after the surgery is complete and the tissue sample has gone through pathology for analysis. With this new technology, the tissue sample is placed in NanoGold's device directly in the operating room and will receive a high-res map of the cellular makeup around the tumor's margin in real time. So the surgeon precisely knows if all the cancerous cells have been removed. This project will deliver and validate the first working prototype, which eventually could have huge implications in cancer surgery and recovery.
Congratulations to all 6 awardees. What wonderful range of projects and industries. We're so proud to have you. We'll follow up with you in the next steps and cannot wait to get started with your projects. Now to all applicants, please stay connected. We have several programs that you are eligible for, and we'd like to encourage you to check out the ways that we can further support you. Most, if not all, of the industry partners in this round are eligible for the commercialization competition, which is currently accepting applications until August 8. Check our website for details.
And we'd love to see you at the New York State Innovation Summit this fall. It's a great opportunity to connect with resources, learn about opportunities, and keep building your momentum.
Once again, congratulations to our awardees and to all applicants. Do not stop here. New York needs your ideas, your drive, and your resiliency. Let's keep innovating together. See you soon.